Hi there, here we are with our patient Andy. Andy's here for about a 9-month follow-up. Andy has an interesting story. He had a previous procedure with another doctor where he just wasn't satisfied with his results. He unfortunately got an unsightly scar in the back from the donor area. And one of the things that most patients are always freaked out about are those donor area scars. And so unfortunately he had one of those cases. So he came to us and we were able to restore his frontal hairline, completely excise the old scar and put it back to where it's now undetectable. How was the process for you?
It was great. You know, the entire process was excellent. Very, short. Just no pain, no discomfort. My scar is literally gone. I had a stretch scar from my first procedure. It was about 1 centimeter wide. I was searching out a doctor to fix it, and pretty much every doctor I talked to said they couldn't fix it or they couldn't.
So you shopped around to different doctors, and they all said, "We can't help you."
Pretty much, yeah. They said they might be able to help me, but there's a high risk that it would come right back. I mean, I even had a doctor say 100%. There's no way I can fix it. You guys were pretty confident that you could fix it for me, and you did. So, and
Awesome.
I'm very happy with it. It's razor thin.
Awesome. Okay. And the healing process was, you said no pain, everything went smooth?
Yeah, no pain.
Okay.
Literally no pain.
Okay. And so how about the results on the front? How did we do for you?
Got some good thickening up in the frontal line here. Kind of filled it in pretty
Excellent.
good, and again took out the scars. So
overall, you're happy with your results?
Absolutely.
Awesome. Okay, so let's check that out. So what we did is we went through and we strengthened up the entire frontal hairline, softened what was there prior to that, and then just filled it in. We took his old scar. I'm just going to turn you around here for a second. He had a very, I'm going to have you tuck your chin down a little bit for me. Very unsightly scar around the suture area. What we were able to do is completely excise the entire old scar. This is it. He's cut. What are you cutting that with? What's this? A 2-blade or 1-blade?
I think it's almost a 0 or a 1.
It's a 0 or 1 blade. And this is a guy that had a huge scar before.
It was like a centimeter.
And so now you can see here, the whole way around, it's virtually undetectable.
And I even had another scar over here that you made a lot. I mean, you pretty much
So-
took it out too.
So you had scars up and down the whole thing, completely undetectable.
Yep.
The whole way around. And then you said you had another one over here?
Yeah, I had like a nickel or quarter size scar here that's now almost gone. I mean, it's very tiny.
So that's on the money. It healed perfect.
Yeah.
And believe it or not, that's actually still healing. It heals literally for another few months, and you're going to still see some improvements. Now, do you take Propecia?
I can't take it unfortunately because a couple side effects.
Okay. And do you use Rogaine?
I can't take that either.
Okay, so
Yeah.
he doesn't use Propecia, he doesn't use Rogaine. So what I just happened to give him is I created a new natural vitamin for patients just like this. I have a lot of patients that tell me they just unfortunately won't or can't take the Propecia, they won't or can't use the Rogaine, and they're looking for whatever alternative there is. And so what it is, I came up with a vitamin that basically puts everything in there for you guys so you don't have to shop and buy 100 vitamins. It has the main things that everyone wants in their vitamin to prevent hair loss: saw palmetto, biotin, CoQ10, horsetail silica, red clover, everything that's out there that you would want in your vitamin to help strengthen your existing hairs and prevent future hair loss is right here. It's at hairsvitamins.com. You're welcome to purchase it. I give discounts to all the patients, and hopefully that helps for those who can't do the FDA-approved preventive treatments.
I'm certainly excited about it.
Awesome, man. Anything you want to say to someone who's looking for to get something fixed or looking for a surgery?
Absolutely, I would say trust this man here. He knows what he's doing, and he'll do you right. So.
Awesome, man. Congratulations.
All right.
I'm really happy for you.
Thanks.